I'm gonna show you how to add multiple items to your Amazon influencer store. It's real easy to do. It'll save you a lot of time. While you're on your Amazon influencer store, you go down to the one you want to add products to. As you can see, I'm gonna add something here to the Toyota Tundra. Once you click on it, hit edit. And right up here in the search bar, type Toyota Tundra parts or whatever parts you want to add and do the search. You hit the search button. Once you hit the search button, it pulls up all these parts. So the only thing you have to do is click on the plus sign. You see I'm adding all these different parts. So you should be able to add 20, 30 parts in less than a minute. As soon as you click them, it's automatically saved to that list. So that's all you do it. So we're gonna go back to our storefront and see what other people will see once they go onto the website. We're gonna click on the Toyota Tundra. You notice it was at the top of the list now. And you see all of these parts that I clicked on are now on the site.